Hello everyone. In this tutorial, we will create fork tube. The front and detail view with dimensions are shown on the right. So let's start. Starting a new part document, click on this icon. The new SolidWorks document dialog box will appear. Now choose the part button and then choose the OK button. Now creating the base feature of the model, go to Features Command Manager and choose the Extruded Boss Base button. Now select the top plane as the sketching plane. Now we will draw the sketch. Go to circle drop down and select the circle. Create one circle over here. Choose the OK button. Go to Smart Dimension and dimension the circle and put the value 38. Now choose the OK button. Our sketch is fully defined. Now we'll exit the sketch environment by clicking on the confirmation corner. Click here. The Boss Extrude Property Manager is displayed. In the direction 1 rollout, the end condition will be mid-plane, and in the depth spinner, put the value 510. So now our model is not completely displayed in the screen. To make it display, we'll choose the Zoom to Fit button from the View Head-Up toolbar. Click here. Now our model is fully displayed. Now expand the Thin Feature rollout of the Property Manager by selecting the checkbox. Click here. The Thin Feature rollout is used to create thin extrude feature, and make sure the one direction option is selected in the type drop down list of the Thin Feature rollout. Next, choose the reverse direction button to reverse the direction. Click here, and here put the value 3. Now choose the OK button. Next, applying the cosmetic threads, for which go to Insert, go to Annotations, then choose the cosmetic thread button. Zoom in the drawing area and zoom here. Select this edge and the standard will be N-symmetric. Select N-symmetric. Type will be machine threads and the size is M36 into 4.0 and the end condition will be blind and the depth of the thread will be 14. Now choose the OK button. Now we need to display the cosmetic thread with shaded thread pattern on the surface, for which go to Options, select Document Properties, go to Detailing and choose the shaded cosmetic threads. Now choose the OK button. Now the cosmetic threads are visible. After creating the fork tube, we need to save in the motorcycle project folder, for which go to Save drop down, select the Save As button, go to motorcycle project folder and here name it as fork tube. Now choose the Save button. Thanks for watching the video.